Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Moshir Rahman. Dear viewers, welcome to Moshir English, a channel for teaching English language and literature. Okay, let's come to the point. Dear students, today I am going to teach you about conjunction. What is conjunction? The word which connects two or more words, phrases, or clauses is called conjunction. For example, and, or, but, therefore. Let me write on the whiteboard. Conjunction. C-O-N-J-U-N-C-T-I-O-N. Conjunction. The word which connects two or more words, phrases, clauses is called conjunction. For example, and, or, but, therefore, since, as, because, if, etc. Dear students, I have already written the definition of conjunction with its examples. Dear students, what is conjunction? The word which connects two or more words, phrases, or clauses is called conjunction. For example, and, or, but, therefore, since, as, because, if, etc. These are the words for conjunction. Okay, if I would like to write through sentences, what would be like? Karim and Rahim are two close friends. Dear students, I have already written one sentence to give the example. Karim and Rahim are two close friends. Here, Karim is a word, Rahim is another word. These two words have been connected with the word and. This and is a conjunction. Okay, the next example. Karim left the place, bag and baggage. Bag and baggage and for good. Dear students, I have already written another example. Karim left the place, bag and baggage, and for good. Look at the sentence. I have used a phrase called bag and baggage. I have also used another phrase for good. There are two phrases here, and these two phrases have been connected with the word and. This word called and is conjunction. This conjunction has connected two phrases. The next example, the teacher said that the earth is round. I have written another sentence called the teacher said that the earth is round. Look at the sentence. The teacher said this is a clause. The earth is round. This is another clause. And these two clauses have been connected with the word that. So, the word that is conjunction. Dear students, I have already made some videos on clause, phrase. You can watch those videos at first. Then you can come here and understand very easily. For this reason, I have mentioned to watch all the videos one by one. Okay. Dear students, conjunction is of three kinds: coordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunction, and correlative conjunction. What is coordinating conjunction? The conjunction which connects the same kind of two or more clauses is called coordinating conjunction. Okay, I am going to write on the whiteboard. Conjunction is of three kinds. One, coordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunction, correlative conjunction. What is coordinating conjunction? The conjunction which connects the same kind of two or more clauses is called coordinating conjunction. For example, he is poor, but his brother is rich. Dear students, I have already written the definition of coordinating conjunction with its example. The conjunction which connects the same kind of two or more clauses is called coordinating conjunction. He is rich, or he is poor but he is poor but his brother is rich. Look at the sentence. He is poor but his brother is rich. He is poor is a clause. His brother is rich is another clause. These two clauses have been connected with the word but. So this word is a conjunction. What type of conjunction this is? This is a coordinating conjunction because he is poor, this is principal clause. His brother is rich, this is another principal clause. The same kind of clause. These two same kind of clauses have been connected with the word but. So this conjunction but is a coordinating conjunction. The next one, to subordinating conjunction. Conjunction. Subordinating conjunction. The conjunction. What is subordinating conjunction? The conjunction which connects one or more subordinate clauses with the principal clause is called subordinate clause. It's called subordinating conjunction. The conjunction which connects one or more subordinate clauses with the principal clause is called subordinating conjunction. For example, I am writing on the whiteboard the conjunction which connects one or more subordinate clauses with the principal clause is called subordinate conjunction. Subordinating conjunction. For example, I shall help you if you want. Dear students, I have already written the definition of subordinating conjunction with its example. The conjunction which connects one or more subordinate clauses with the principal clause is called subordinating conjunction. For example, I will or I shall help you if you want. Look at the sentence, I shall help you if you want. There are two clauses. I shall help you, one clause. If you want, another clause. I shall help you, this is principal clause. If you want, this is subordinate clause. These two clauses have been connected with the word, with the conjunction if. So this if is a subordinating conjunction. The last one, 3, correlative conjunction. Correlative conjunction. Correlative conjunction. What is correlative conjunction? The conjunction, what is correlative conjunction? What the conjunction which is used as pair is called correlative conjunction. The conjunction which is used as pair is called correlative conjunction. Correlative conjunction. For example, either he or his brother has done it. Dear students, I have already written the last example of correlative conjunction. What is correlative conjunction? The conjunction that is used as pair is called correlative conjunction. Okay, for example, either he or his brother has done it. Look at the sentence, either he or his brother has done it. There are some conjunctions which come pair, which come pairly, which come as pair, like either or, neither nor, not only but also, as, both and. Okay, no sooner, then, scarcely when, hardly before, and so on. This conjunction has come as pair, either or. There are two words, either or. Either or, there are two words, they are pair. Okay, so either or is correlative conjunction. In the same way, you can say neither nor, correlative conjunction, not only but also correlative conjunction, no sooner had than, correlative conjunction, scarcely had when, correlative conjunction, and so on. Dear students, I have already finished teaching about conjunction. If you have any question, you can ask writing in the comment box. If you would like to know about conjunction in detail, watch the next videos one by one. Thank you very much for watching the video. For more videos, subscribe the channel. Allah Hafiz.